I will start the change I want to see, with strength and wisdom to do what needs to be done and become the promise that I can be. Give me the courage and humility. Give me the spirit to face the challenge, to start the change I want to see. If I can't be the light, perhaps I can be the spark. Today, I start the change